So now I'm going to show you how to use your models your candies to create an amino acid. So here I've already bonded my, this is representing my nitrogen to 2 hydrogens. And I cut my toothpicks in half because I think they're too long and it's hard, the molecule is just too big, so you might want to do that. So I'm representing nitrogen here and I have the 2 hydrogens. Remember, a nitrogen can bond to 3 things. In the center of that amino acid is, I'm using a carbon. So here nitrogen is happy because it's now sharing 3 pairs of electrons. I have a carbon, and the carbon can bond with 4 things. So I'm going to make just the simplest amino acid here. We've got a hydrogen bonding here, another hydrogen bonding here. This is the simplest one, which is glycine. And remember, on the other side, so this is the amino group, and now we're making the carboxylic acid group. So the carbon will be bonded, which is represented by the purple, to another carbon. And then that carbon is double bonded to an oxygen, which I've got the 2 bonds here. So it's got 1, 2, 3 bonds, but it needs to have another bond. And so it bonds to a hydroxyl group, an OH over here. And then once this is bonded, the carbon is happy because it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bonds. It's sharing 4 pairs of electrons. But if you notice, now this group right here is called the carboxylic acid group. So we have an amino acid. This is the most basic one. It's called glycine. This is the R group, which will change. It can be lots of different things. An amino group, acid group. We've got one amino acid, which is the monomer for proteins.